Hey guys, how's it going? It's HelpfulLockPicker here, and the video I have for you today is going to be a quick unboxing video. So what I have for you is going to be a package that was sent to me from CoxysPicks. It's a pretty heavy package, and I'm pretty excited to get it open and see what's inside. So without further ado, let's open up this package right now. Alright, so opening it up, I can feel a lock and a box. And what we have is going to be a Squire lock. Let's make sure we don't have anything else in there. Alright, so taking a quick look at the box, you can see we're going to have a pretty cool lock. Look at how physically secure that looks with the shrouded shackle, a really strong boron shackle there. And let's see, about 50 millimeter wide. Has the shackle guard. That's a pretty cool lock. Alright, so let's see what it's going to look like. Alright. That's actually pretty hefty looking. Has a nice weatherproofing right here. Oh man, look at that. Coxy, thank you so much for sending this to me. That is actually pretty cool. And it looks like I got a little oil or something on my finger there. Here's the bitting on the key. Looks like that's well lubed up. You can see that it has some residue on it right there. Not terribly great bitting. Well, let's see how well the key opens up the lock. Feels like a dead core lock. Looks like you can take the lock apart. I can see a screw down right there. Is there a ball bearing in there? Hard to tell right now. But what Coxy wanted me to do with this lock ultimately is try to pick it open using the KRONOS gun. So just for the fun of it, we have just opened this up. Let's see if we can get a quick open using the KRONOS gun. Just want to see if I can find a good tensioner. And this may or may not work. I've never worked on one of these locks before. Alright. And I'm only going to give it a quick go. Alright. So. Do some light bottom of the keyway tension. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm hitting the warding there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Readjust the tension wrench. Got a little false set just then. Reset it. Alright, so I'm going to give this one final try here, and then we will have to try this again in another video once I get a little bit more used to this lock. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3. And my bit has snapped off. Alright, so that's that then. Alright, so either way, the Squire lock has now survived a KRONOS attack. It has successfully broken off my needle. But we'll reinvestigate this in a video to come. I just want to say, Coxy, thank you so much for sending this to me. This is just a really cool lock just to have and just to play around with. And I just want to say thank you again for sending it to me all the way from England. But either way, guys, that is all I have for you today. This has been a really quick unboxing video and a failed attempt using the KRONOS electric lockpicking gun. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day.